in the absolute prime of their careers, and they've both given spectacular performances. They both are amazing looking, and I guess that's why Cocktail 2, even Kunal can't decide who to go with, and that's what the film is all about. But it's been an absolute pleasure, and it's great to have both of them and to be a part of both these songs.
Lovely.
Shahid, tell me something. Abhi, you were saying something about chemistry, na? I loved what you said about chemistry.
this सब बातें बताने वाली थोड़ी होती है, पागल हो गई है.
आपको कुछ केमिस्ट्री के बारे
But
में
if you have
बताएं.
to define chemistry and chemistry,
This is like with Rashmika, it's my first film, but it never felt like it was our first film. I honestly, whenever we got into any shot, we never even discussed what we're gonna do.
yeah.
And I loved the fact that she was all up for spontaneity, and we just had a lot of fun.
After takes, there'll be one extra tichka that we give, and we didn't even see it coming. We don't even rehearse it. It just comes, and that's what the chemistry was like magical. And thank you,
But
Shahid.
I have
You're
to
the
say,
best.
I have to say because I was not there when you guys shot the song. Obviously, I think you guys have such cute chemistry. It is adorable the way, and I'm seeing you guys also like on screen for the first time together. Guys, how did you like that chemistry? Wasn't
Amazing.
it super cute?
Too good.
अभी ठीक है. हाँ. So basically हमारा एक इन हाउस प्रॉब्लम है कि हमारे पास दो हीरोइन हैं और generally they really get along, there's no issue, but the problem is that we have one song with one girl and one song with the other girl. So if we launch one, the other one won't be as happy. So I think we need to decide today which song to launch. How we are going to decide that, what we're going to do is the surprise for tonight. So मुझे लग रहा है पहले दोनों को बुला लें. हाँ, थोड़ा आवाज करोगे तो ही आएंगे ना.
दिनेश सर.
आई डोंट थिंक दे आर हैप्पी. थोड़ा और बोलना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा और चिल्लाना पड़ेगा. चलो 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 चलो.
Hello. Hi Kriti. Hello. Welcome. Hi.
हेलो.
Hi Rashmika. Hello. Hi.
एक सेकेंड, ये दो हीरोइन हम लोग नाम सुनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बोला नहीं बोला, अब तक नहीं बोला. But guys, all of you, अरे हम फोटो दे देंगे भाई, फोटो दे देंगे.
किधर नहीं जा रहे हैं आपको फोटो?
यहीं पे हैं, बात तो सुन लो. सबसे पहले all of you, welcome to my song launch, guys.
You mean my song launch?
No, I mean my song launch. Actually, song आज मेरा वाला launch हो रहा है. इसका सिर्फ दिल रखने के लिए हम लोग दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Oh, no, baby. My song now has a lot of heart in it. So I think they're doing you a favor to keep you cushy.
To keep me happy. Baby, I've done some 7 films with Mad Dog. This is my 8th. I don't think they need to keep me happy at all. I'm very happy.
Oh, no, but you know, after the box office numbers of Chhawa, I think the favoritism has changed a bit.
Favoritism changed. Yeah, I think Shahid bata sakta hai.
Yeah, Shahid,
Come. What do you think?
whose song launch is it?
Hi guys, what's up? I just got in, and I just want to say, ऐसे आज तक किसी ने डीनो सर के साथ बात नहीं की बेटा. I just want to say that welcome to my songs launch.
Hello, excuse me.
Excuse me?
You mean our song launch?
हाँ मतलब you're also
Yeah,
in.
I mean our song.
Yeah, you're
launch.
also in one.
Okay, you know
But
what?
I'm in both.
No, but tell us which song is your favorite?
Yeah. And who is your favorite?
Who
देखो,
is your
क्या
favorite?
है that usually ना मैं अपनी सारी पिक्चरें पहले ही देख लेता हूँ, but मुझे इस बार कुछ दिखाया ही नहीं गया है. So I think this is a question that only one man can answer. Dino,
No, I think you need to
Dino,
choose.
you must answer.
You need to choose.
Shahid, you need to choose.
You have to choose.
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, ये बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है. With these two beautiful ladies next to me, मुझे लगता है आप सबको दिखा दो और उनको कौन सा बेटर लग रहा है, कौन सा पहले डालना है. I think let everybody decide ना, because
आप लोग डिसाइड करोगे कौन सा गाना लॉन्च होना चाहिए. पक्का. हाँ.
पहले कौन से दिखाएं?
अभी इस पे मत झगड़ा करो. हाँ.
नहीं देखो.
ये कौन है जिसने बोला I love it? हाँ?
No, but seriously, guys, like we have definitely known for a while that you guys have something magical, the two of you. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different. You look hot, that the world knows, and you are fucking hot. Oh, sorry. No. Censor. I didn't say
एक
that. I didn't
शब्द
say
बोला
that.
था जो नहीं बोलना है.
Sorry. She is
चलेगा.
amazing. Like, look at her. Okay, I shouldn't. It's just
look
too
at
much
that.
love happening. It's just too much love happening, and we know the chemistry that Shahid and Kriti have shared. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different, so magical, and when we saw Mashuka, we got a glimpse of it, and I just know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm just so excited to see what's in store more, because every scene that I've heard of, it's just spectacular, and Homester has killed it, and he's yawning right now. He's just like,
He's lost a lens. Homie, come on, yeah. You have to come on stage. Arey, you have to come on stage. Are you crazy? No. People have to know the voice
One
of
more time
this
for Homie Akjania,
crazy
guys.
guy. Guys, come on.
Yes.
The OG cocktail director.
अच्छा जिसने दोनों गाने बनाए उनसे तो पूछते हैं उसको कौन सा गाना
Give it up for
चाहिए
Pritam Da. Ladies and gentlemen, the genius.
To relieve me of this.
Mic is all yours.
Dada, choose which song.
Da.
I want to tell you all, Dada first time has delivered both songs on time. It was exactly 2 minutes before the event started.
Chal, so Pritam, you want
Dada, which song you want to launch?
Mashuka or Tujhko?
Let's see everybody what everybody loves.
Okay, Mashuka. And Tujhko. It sounds pretty much the same. Yeah?
Homie, why don't we
Release
do
both.
Dada's like गाना दिखा दिया. Okay, guys, before we get into which song, this film would have not been possible if Love Ranjan wasn't here. Because he's the
Big
one
round of applause for
who's-
Love Ranjan, yes.
So actually, he knows who he ends up with. He's the only one. So
Even
let's
we don't know.
ask him.
We've shot the film, but we don't know who they end up with.
So
You
which?
know, you are shooting it, right? वो तो नहीं बता सकते ना कि who he ends up with. हाँ?
नहीं, वो नहीं बता सकते, बट आप
वो नहीं
गाना
बता
चूज कर लो ना. आपको कौन सा गाना बेटर लग रहा है?
मैं क्यों चूज करूं यार? ये लोग चूज करेंगे.
Oh, hi, homie. Hello, hi. Give it up for Love Ranjan, the writer of this film. Yes, the writer and producer. Give it up for Ankur Garg. Yes, guys, come on. Give it up for Pritam Da. Come on, guys, come on. Yes. Hello, sir. Hello. Hi. Please come, sir. Please come. Hello. Please give it up. Yes, Pritam Da is here. Yes, okay. Give it up for Dinu. Guys, come on. Maddock के event पे आए हो. You have to give it up for Dinu. We got to call Tarun? Okay, big round of applause, please. Let's welcome Tarun on stage. Tarun, please come. And let's welcome Kriti, Shahid, and Rashmika. Guys, come on. Guys, तालियां तो बजाओ यार. Come on यार. कैमरा पे तालियां भी आएंगे ना. Keep it going, guys. Come on, yes.
Come, y'all come. Y'all come.
Okay. Guys, this is the team behind Cocktail 2. शायद can I ask you a question? Could we, while the votes are being counted, now you have two beautiful co-actresses. आप chemistry के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Who do you have a better chemistry with, as per your opinion?
I think Rashmika and Kriti have amazing chemistry.
Right. Right.
Although they have not so many scenes without me, so maybe
Okay.
I'm the reason why they have the amazing chemistry. It passes from one to me to the other and then back, and we're just flowing in
Amazing.
that soup of chemistry. That's what
Okay.
Cocktail 2 is all about.
Soup starter होता है. We are not here about soup. So here for cocktail.
Main
Yeah.
course के लिए ticket लगता है.